Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Class 5 pupils. Today we want to learn MUAMALAT. Under MUAMALAT we have obligation to our relatives and obligation to our neighbors. This is IRE class 5 and it is very important you understand them one by one. These two subtopics they are very important and you have to practice them when you learn from your teacher. Let us see the obligation to our relative and then we will see the obligation to our neighbors. Now this obligation to our relatives, class 5 pupils, I want us to understand who is a relative. A relative is anybody who is related to us by blood or by marriage. There are two ways people can be related. One, they can be related through by blood or they can be related through by marriage. Now, let us see the obligation to our relative. Number one, some of the obligations are visit them when they are sick or visit the sick among them. 2. Show love and give them good advice. 3. Try to understand their conditions. 4. Pray for them. 5. Help the poor and the needy among them. 6. Take part of their happiness and sorrow. 7. Give them present. 8. Face them with smile. 9. Put aside their fault. 10. And keep them away from harm. These are some of the obligation to our relative. We have to practice them in practical whenever we learn from our teachers. Now let us see obligation to our neighbors. Some of obligation to our neighbors are as follows. Class 5 pupils, who is our neighbor? A neighbor is anybody who is living next to our house or anybody or any person who is living around us. Those are called neighbors. Our Prophet ﷺ tell us that our neighbors they are up to they consist up to 40 houses. Up to 40 houses. Those are our neighbors now. Now let us see some of the obligations to our neighbor. Some of them are as follows. Number one, give them loan when they are asked, help them when they are in need, congratulate them when they succeed, grieve them when the calamity befall on them, bury them and accompany their coffin, visit them when they are sick, avoid annoying them, avoid harm from them. These are some of the obligations to our neighbors. Class 5 pupils, I want you to practice them in practical way after you learn from your teachers. In that few remarks, I hope you will write as you listen. I wish you all the best. Thank you.